Ate, to Bonnie Gina, soon to be Mrs. Agalos. Congratulations to all of you. Thank you for being part of your special day. Hindi ko na pakakabain. I wish you all the best. May your marriage today be blessed for a lifetime and let the adventure begin. Kaya pa ba?
Kaya titigil kuya mo. Happy wedding po sa inyong dalawa. Congratulations po. We love you. Mama.
Congratulations. Finally, nahanap mo ang iwan. Basta happy after you. And best wishes sa inyo. Kailangan mo ha. Magparami kagabi. Sorry, hindi ako makaka-attend. Pero, this country in, alam mo na, basta happy ako for you. Congratulations again and good luck. I love you. Best wishes. Sige na. Sunod na din ako. Joke. Bye.
Hi, Ate G. Congratulations on your marriage and finally you find your true one. And we are happy for you. So, wishing you lots of love and a lifetime of happiness. God bless you both.
Hello po sa pinakamagandang Ninang, bumabati po from Australia. Congratulations po Ninang and dito po.
Hi, this is your Tito John OFW dito sa Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Best wishes and congratulations, G and Bon. God bless. Bye.
Hello, pinakati ko ang aking pinakamamahal na si Gina, sa Pagkalogos. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa at nawa yung pagpalaki, may kapal at mamukang pagsasama. Ngayon, nakilubos na naliligayaan at ngayon nagkasama na sa wakas. Maligayang party at congratulations again. Love you!
Congratulations! May God bless your union with love, joy, and unwavering faith. Wishing you a lifetime of happiness together. Congratulations on your wedding. Cheers to love, laughter, and happily ever after. Congratulations again. We love you. Love you.
Hi, Neng and Bong. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Alam ko matagal na lang naghihintay ng moment na ito. So, wala lang mo masyadong nasasabi. Be strong, stay happy, and love each other for the rest of your life.
Hello, Ate, Kuya. Best wishes. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa ni Ate.
Hi, Mami! Congratulations! May your marriage filled with endless joy.
Congratulations po tita ng Tito. Wishing you a lifetime of love.
We love you!
Hi, Ate and Kuya mo. Yung punta niyo dalawa is with God, never forget, and always love each other. Congratulations sa inyo dalawa.
Hello, Gina and Bong. Best wishes and congratulations. Saya kayo nandyan. Miss you too. We love you.
Enjoy your life together. Ayan, nag-uwi na. Masaya ko para sa inyo.
Grabe, sa sobrang tagal ng paghihintay nyo, ngayon matutupad na yung kasal nyo na sana all talaga. Sana all talaga.
Sana hindi na sunod.
Congratulations, Ate Gina and Kuya Bong.
Ayan na.
Ano pa ba? Hindi ko kailangan dyan, but our hearts and mind ay nandyan para sa inyo. Maraming salamat palagi sa suporta niyo sa amin. And, bye!
Hi, Mami. Hi, Lolo Bo. Congratulations sa kasal ko. I love you. I miss you. Hi, Mami. Hi, Lolo Bo. Congratulations sa kasal ko.
Hello, mga Ilotanas. So, first and foremost, congratulations po sa inyong dalawa. We are very happy po para sa inyo. Congratulations. I hope na this brings you contentment and happiness for the rest of your lives po. Thank you rin po sa lahat po ng effort po para sa amin. Ni Kuya, ni Ate Jen, na-appreciate po namin lahat. And we're happy to be here with you now to celebrate this milestone in your relationship po. So, I wish you both the best in your journey as a married couple, and I know the best has yet to come po para sa inyong dalawa. So, congratulations and I wish you all the best.
Hi, good evening everyone. It's a lahat hindi ko alam kung paano ko mag-start kasi hindi talaga ako magaling sa dedication. Pero I think I would like to take this opportunity. Hindi ko naman alam pakikita dito yan. And gaano ako masaya na alam ko, fine, hindi kayo tatanda ng mag-isa at hindi ko alam kung paano ko mag-start kasi hindi talaga ako magaling sa dedication. Pero I think I would like to take this opportunity. Hindi ko naman alam pakikita dito yan.